Welcome to the Limpopo Online TV. Duka ndi Suhana ndi mwana ndi wa mahunguni. Basi ndiwezo rara rari. Una mangwe. Rodzona wasuwana bahayani, rodzona maduka duka, rodzona baimbi, rodzona watu munusika, bari ndi babiki wa muzika. Na musi ndo dzona mumwe wasuwana bari hai, bachimwe mulandi olano dia chita gong, kana watu mutama. Akosha mo diambera. Ardi ndi watu ndiko ndi nanepo. Ubanenge ya begwa. Mr. B-Town.
Yeah, what's up?
Nah, man, I'm all good.
And the grand. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me, man. The co-founder of Takara Blind.
Yeah.
Blind, yeah. And it's weekend, so it's weekend.
Yeah, the weekend. Those are more remember mama dingarangara. Maradi ke zomro.
Yeah.
The ko zori ini also get a drop album. Zine watu banyi bako do fesa zoro okay. Watu ndio rali one na msio da pano Limpopo Online TV.
Yeah.
Album yawe kushuma ani naone album yawe aushimisa hani musi ya busy nayo tkoita ndikuphiyo buleme ndiziphiyo zoleluwaho ngoralo.
Oh, okay. My rotten nose.
Nisomuberera.
Okay. This is what happened. Album and reads out 2018 since January and November 7th on my birthday. So like it was a present to me in Azifene Zanga. Washimona Batuba Barao too much as producer, Rashima Pitori, NFR, obviously, Rashimana Istiar, Rashimana Miller Records number YB and stuff. So album you're pushing a Manda, your ring is a Manda. Like 2018, the #1 album, your ring is a sour venda. So yeah. Now support is nigga the on go the push up line. Challenges there were a lot. Like whenever to Shimana or Shimana. A lot of ups and downs, obviously. Time keeping a jump in, just because obviously we're focused on the musical side. Yeah, na support your push out to support, which is something that is an event that's got to be challenging a man. That's not my challenge young and don't tell you like Navango Imbiba Tangana. So support
nini nako leka ziyambazo rukidaka kurengere kwa muzika na mini watu ndo nako ndi comrade ali mbanga bluetooth
exactly.
Nanga WhatsApp
yeah.
Mara asako ntano ani support renga limbo ri usikene na wane renga broto nkobona ndiwana kujuzi nyana no mara yeah super far beside the album no drop na music video I think last year.
Yes, no drop a music video when we settled down. I think it's track number 5 Deka album. 13,000 views, to speak on YouTube. Go check it out. But only settle down. YouTube. No drop a music video. Like it was quality no shoot on HB imaging. Yeah, it was exciting. It was exciting. No shoot around so shout out.
Okay. Sinzo kwambori. Ariko sedza na vaimbi vanji vanezo zvino vasakobvisa dzinyimbo mara uchidhaka uri usikone vaita visuals ndingabudzo ndi music video kana ndidza zvinorari ndimbonera kule ndizvinepe kana ndizvinepe tevekano vunji ava vanazo zvitu avazviiti vasakobvisa luimbo rwatsivura ngamanda mara avaunderstand kana vapfesesa uri arali luimbo ringalira khamira rupfa imwe ndira mara ono mana video yakunota ruchedzo luimbo rukwera kana ubokweti yamunhu asika une vaimbi vavasi vadasi todoita dzi music video mara
as an artist ningasomera vaimbi obviously challenge was like sponsorship. I mean, because it's to go to Bitera, like we finance ourselves from commons over in it. Zino zianga zia kondanyana ngori mashireni as to baona.
Okay.
Yeah.
Varuchi kwamba rusuda kama shiri. Ndisa kutwamba initi.
Yeah. In general.
Ndiyaona uri not kana vana vadzo kumunhu ravana chiradio funda music. Mara weekend imwe na imwe mutu vakotongiso ri ena una bodhero lonotura. Ezo zvindizvibona ndizvihani uri mutu unowane bodhero lodhura mara ngeno udzira kumunhu ri muzika wawe hana chiradio ufanda.
Yeah, like I don't know. Because you have to finance it as well. So nane I think not good ubaka sinonga zezoti. Uri aranis ngakona spend a shade to something. Beside with a music video, maybe for example. So I can ngakona save urinditare music video.
Yeah.
So like it's just a learning curve. Then nichibona important house and then dokono shit. I think
since tina visa chitagong na mara before ichapana
Yeah.
uya luimbo rachita gongo zvavhudi ndandorombudza ini navanonatama chita gongo kana ngoda chita gongo kana ngoda wapodhiamberapo ari ramusiri aligwisi rakagara
rasiri ndopodhiambera ngori ndodhiambera and in public, so shout out to me. Arari kosedza kamapungu tori munasina gwava vanhu ndinne wototoma usimbedziri ari muchakotodiwa watoitora naruimbo so the whole world can hear mara chita gongo avasazvidivi noini kumuitira ruimbo and then like it was not a big deal uri ndikutira chita gongo ruimbo nondosokutoita ruimbo ngori chita gongo obviously I used to hear her on radio every morning namina zvote voice yavaikondadza. I checked her out. I was like, hey, why not, you know?
Drop a track and then chito zandikuona uri Venrap namimwe mina
ngamanda shout out to you baby.
You itori usiko uri nakono reach a certain level,
yeah,
and then nakono wana dzimwe dzifene so mara arasedzeke mapongori. How do you react towards your fans? Ngori nyangwana vatu vavaimbi norali nadzi-entertainer namini nondikurini hari neri saving amanda veiwori unapona problem nikochimbira mndu sokoda nikokoza araje chinepe kind of things muna vamwe vazanda vakuniambisa vamwe vakosenda message ine kupona nazvukoma nazoenda nikoto responda back to your fans.
It depends on the situation. Sometimes wanoti kwaprochonga chipinga chineiwe namundu wauwo out to that extent you're public ngamanda only to kombekedzia maybe we just nepe na mini not to come see it's a bad thing. We like you guys ufuna zvinchiri takare. It's just that ndikadiwa muntu so reaction chipinga yanga asiyona. You have to understand mara I'm always happy towards my fans. I'm always happy.
So ngamba nobedza kafene dzote uri hava vafumakadzi ainuwa vasidzana vanoni dzikombe dzinoni dzina mapungo one naona ndiri wambodziva emotional uri vatona kumudya chinepe naye mara amupfara so
that's what ngori
ambodzimtrendisa kafacebook.
That's what ngori madhuva fun, so you need to understand mara udya chinepe naine ndidoti udya chinepe naine it's a must ngori niwechitoda and you're my supporter so hava vane vakoda maybe ngamapungo ori you know kuti yodeitana mina zote. I'm not really available, you know.
Okay, what depends. Ori is not really. So
I'm not really available.
Yeah. Ono osika ono ajiwa.
Yeah, but you have to be nice to me. I'll be nice to you too. Okay. Yes.
Okay. Then arasedzana namapungo ayinoni mamwe. Ukidaka music iti. Unazi challenges zopambana nawo.
Yeah.
Rekozana mapungo record una quality una mini abana mapungo ri vamwe vatu vayani they only look at radio station in T or ndalidziwa ka radio ndo va successful abana ri rakosedzana ezo zwithu ningari mini ka vamwe vatu ri is it good uri ndi focus ka radio nti yani is it good uri ndive gangster ka social media kana ndimudita muthu uri ndi better than mumwe muthu ka social media than focus ko alusa career
I focus on career and where I want to be on top there. National, from provincial, national, then Kejula, international. So focus on radio. Like go out there. Community regions and push music more. If aren't just gerund. So let's start at home. And then the song of Panoconia, my vote tomorrow, and we're going to no queue hours.
And the one already devote long of name. Manare, voting not or inner equal. What one watch a jump based on character.
Exactly.
What's the much hard?
And it wasn't ever, you have to go there.
Yeah. So artists the number pungori 2019 yo swika 2018 yo pira no drop album no push no drop as video ka 2019 these videos never to go to river expect to va kamuthu kana kamimbi kana ka artist kana ka musiki mubveledzi munwali ngobona narrator Batondy orali wa uri Mr B Town offer zvipi
no anangondo to vafarisa rudonga ngopisao. Yesterday, I go shoot a music video here too. Korani, it's track number 4 there, ka album. Na you can't have it all. Track number 2. Mara do shoot a blind. Do shoot the video. And now the visuals do at zimo. Visuals do at zimo. That single already. I've got a tape ready. Like it over EP. I've got an EP ready in a. Maybe the drop single mara. pushiwa like arineti ka music ari konoka mavoti. Now we in Soweto, if you didn't know, so obviously we here for work. You
Yeah.
know, pushiwa. So like ndinavera nchiona chimwe chine chadonimangadza ringastobvisurira zvinji
so
ngamandana.
zvinozokomba zvoni zori this year
Yeah.
vatu vanji vakuto expecta mushumo wa vatondi vakuti uri vatondi kudova more in public,
more energy,
more
yes.
energy, more pushing, togetherness and more hustle.
More hustle,
So
yes.
ka music video reshuta munova and I heard uri vatonda kushuta music video,
Yes.
this and that. So noshuta yetu
Reshita music video too, it was a very hard work. Zakubuya so serious. Zakubuya.
so zambori from these 2 music videos in nangara noishuta or before chapano
Yeah.
yoshutwa nganyi.
Oh, Reshita nga director Maboko. Director
Director Maboko.
Yeah, he's one of the good guys like in the
Yeah,
game.
I'm seeing director Mabogo like nama oshuta nama Thora.
Yeah, Reshita na Matora, Reshita na Matanga vanji vatsikwaito. He also
I
was
think
with Nash
Odana na
Films.
Tim and Gavini also.
Ushumana bo Nash Films na mina zot. Like he's a good guy and those one with this product that I'm coming with.
No, zvinoza kota there is also record ube na more visual and everything. So
Exactly.
what we expect for maybe one of your videos to drop it.
For now, like I can't even tell you, like we shot yesterday.
So
Mara asingarengi, you know, remake a show. Songo
forever.
lindera. Just this, don't promise that even like can get the date tomorrow.
no, I think we just record the first one. This is but don't go share direction if you.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Oh,
Yeah.
besides that, I wanna issue if you no wanna NFR.
Yeah.
Like
Okay. I don't go on any far. I don't go on like it was a business decision. I had to go like then move around the NFR like since 2015, 16, 17. So I was like, no, are sure, but you know, I have to be like on my own and stuff. Not to come see there's a problem. We still work together. A lot of songs we produce and too. Shout out to the guys, shout out to NFR, on a bad blood, we're still good, That's why I like this song to train, I just did, I didn't really try.
no, no, professor. Zombo zori vatondi rikoriwa chipinga chanu zochimbira so ari rinwishira 2019 ichimbira zvaku this was nanga twambo vatoni buka guy vanwana guy social media na mini zvaku
20 nice things ndibukwa ka Facebook, you come on Facebook inbox Batondy Mujie SA, Batondy Mujie SA, ka page kana ka personal account Batondy Mujie, ka Twitter it's @Batondy, ka Instagram it's @Batondy. Personal number is Visera Kagara.
zinenza bukwa cards.
Yeah, it's 076 711 0838. Wasango hesitate, go check me out everywhere. Or 076 711 0838. Anytime we are available for work and there's some more professional, you know.
vodipfera ndi vatondi
Yeah.
ndinema ndiduka ndiswandila mwanguni amara here ndiwafuna zone
Hala.